now been 3 days since we last did any turning on these pieces. This is the wood for a smudge pot, and this was our alignment mark here, but it's probably not going to align perfectly. And the top is basically finished. Remember, we turned the top, and we've now, after these 3 days, the top and the bottom each have 3 coats of finish on them. What we're going to do now is we're going to mount the bottom in the chuck, if it fits, and turn the inside out so that the top fits not tight, but just fits. And then after that, we're going to mount this between centers and turn the outside of both pieces at the same time. There we go. And that's the bottom that we turned on here is what we call a remountable bottom. And even though it's completely finished, it's ready to be turned again. So now what we're going to do, we've got a flat edge on here. It's just barely visible even from me standing here. This flat edge is flat to the top piece, so it fits smoothly here. We're going to cut this down in, and we're going to leave a little lip on here to grab the top piece. But we've got to cut this down in to create a bowl for the smudge. It has to be deep enough that there can be smudge for a full ceremony. But these smudge boxes are basically personal smudge boxes, primarily for individual use for purification.